So friends, I am back again. I am really overwhelmed by your responses on the series of future food thinking. In episode 1, we have discussed about how consumers are taking food as an information. So the next series is based on the multisensory food experience. So let's go. Why does the same food taste one day but disappoint at next? The answer only is the taste is not alone. Food is no longer judged only by the taste. Consumer experience the food through multiple senses: looks, smell, taste, mouthfulness, crunchiness, and aroma, and finally what they expect from it. Often it happens after a first bite. Consumer behaviors normally based on their upbringings, their geographical locations, and the culture belongs to that. Multisensory food experience means it is more than a good flavor. It means uniform appearance, predictable texture, and consistent aroma. And the same experience at every bite, every batch, and every time. The consumer normally notices immediately, even if the product taste is acceptable, if it looks, aroma, and feel changes. As sensory expectations increases, then the error in the process line or margin of the error in the process line becomes very smaller, and we have to take care of the processes at each and every point, or each and every variables and process parameters. Small changes in process parameter such as moisture, heat, coating, or mixing may change the product how it is perceived. This is why multisensory product require tight control on the process, high repeatability, and disciplined execution. Multisensory experience is not an afterthought. It must be considered at the concept stage, during planning, and protected at execution. If it is ignored early, it appears in the later stage in the form of inconsistency, especially when we go for a scaling up of the plant.